Wacky Worm. I'm going to call him Gerald the Wacky Worm.
Huh?
His name's Gerald.
Gerald.
Gerald the Wacky Worm.
Gerald the Wacky Worm.
This is better than anything at Thorpe Park.
Not the Wacky Worm.
Wacky Worm. Wacky Worm. Oh, Barney hops. And boing. 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 Oh, here we go. We're going to pick up some serious speed now. Oh, trim brake. Wow. Love it. Oh, we go again. We go again. Yeah, again. Yeah, let's go again. Living the Wacky Worm dream. Rise the ghost train and dodge
It
it.
goes faster on the second time, doesn't it?
No. Gravity does not work differently on the second time round. Let's do the twist like they did last summer. Bouncy, 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 fun, 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 fun. The wonderful thing about Wacky Worms is this isn't the only one. Here we go. Boing. 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 That was more energetic than me in bed. Oh. Here we go. Helix of Doom. Oh god. Here we go. We're gonna die. Ah.
Oh my god.
I love it. I love it.
That's really cool.
I love it.
It's such a good one.
Oh, wait. That was abrupt. And we're done.